What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. So for my videos, I want to do something a little bit different. You see a lot of these track videos are mainly raw footage, which is great because everybody loves raw moto footage. But it doesn't really give you a lot of details about the track. You know, if you've never been to one of these places you're looking up, you plan on going, you want to know, is this track for you? Do I have the ability to ride it? Just the really minute details about everything from the track, from hey, where the hell do I enter to get on the track, to how big is this jump actually. It's hard to tell in videos sometimes, so everyone knows that feeling of going to a new track and you gotta spend half the day figuring out every jump, because most of us aren't professionals. So just give you guys a little background. I've got about 3 years riding experience off and on, so you can judge that for yourself in comparison. And I'll probably let you guys enjoy these first couple warm-up laps, and then I'll get into the details of South Fork MX. right, so let's get into it. I'll start off by saying that this was a Wednesday afternoon, so that's probably why you're not going to see a lot of other people out on the track with me. It wasn't very busy at all, probably less than 10 people at the track this day, I'd say. I have been there on the weekends, and it is significantly busier. So just a little expectation management. If you're heading there during the week, you might have the, track pretty much to yourself, which is kind of cool. But he's usually open weekends, like I said, most of the day. I forget the exact hours, and then Wednesdays 2 to 7, depending on weather, obviously. In terms of fees, it's $40 a day to ride, and then he does do military discount, and I think they still have a membership that'll put it at like $35 a day for both of those. It's located in Disputanta, Virginia, it's called, if I said that right. It's about 45 minutes south of Richmond, kind of in the middle of nowhere. The track doesn't have great service there, but he just did set up Wi-Fi close to the tower and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And it does have 2 nice bathrooms, RV hookups, everything if you want to spend the night. It's a pretty cool place. But yeah, in terms of the track, let's get into it. So all the jumps, except for one, if I have it in memory correct, are tables. So you can get your speed checks. You don't have to worry about capping anything too hard, and you can work your way up to clearing all these. I'd say the first time I went to South Fork, within 10 laps, I was probably clearing everything. And again, I have about 3 years riding experience, maybe a little above average rider. But yeah, he does a really good job with prep. Just compared to some of the other Virginia, North Carolina tracks I've been to, he'll let you know when he's about to water, when he's finished watering, and he's pretty consistent throughout the day, especially on the weekends. And it's a great kind of loamy soil. It's clay based, I believe, but allows for a lot of traction. It doesn't get too dry or slippery or anything like that. But yeah, these 2 jumps you just saw there are probably 2 of the bigger jumps in the front, right by the entrance. You get a lot of good line choices at South Fork, which is great because you can, there's parts where you can work those braking bumps, acceleration bumps. It gives you a lot of room to pass, or if you just need to get around someone, like right here, you got plenty of room to do that throughout the track. This part right here is really fast, flowy. It's a lot of fun. Again, the jumps aren't too big, and you can work your way up to clearing all 3 of them. I'm riding 3rd gear for pretty much this entire track. There's a couple times in the tight corners that I might drop it down to 2nd. I think maybe once get up to 4th, but for the most part, I'm riding 3rd all the way through. Sorry about some of these transitions. The video kind of got corrupted or something like that, but yeah, guys, I hope these little details are helpful. Just wanted to give you a brief overview if you're looking to head up to South Fork. Again, owner's a great guy. It's a fun track. So get up there and get riding. Catch you guys later.